Hello and welcome. You're watching the Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Students and citizens rushes to the photo gallery displaying vintage pictures. Shillong Archdiocese blessed with 9 priests on the 21st of January. 100 NPP and AITC candidates merges with Congress in Damas Mendipathar. And Ampati observes the birthday of Meghalaya on the 21st of January. And now the news in detail. The 12th of January 1972 is a day that Meghalaya attained independence and became a full-fledged state. On this day, the government of Meghalaya commemorates the statehood day and also the day Meghalaya attained 50 years and on its way to 51. Aged-old pictures portraying the face of Shillong in the olden days were merrily displayed. The pictures of Shillong Civil Hospital, Secretariat, people of the old times and also St. Anthony's and other pictures in and around Shillong in the old golden era. Residents of the state had reached to visit this display of the pictures in olden days. This art show was held and beautified in State Central Library, Shillong. On the 21st of January, marked as the Meghalaya Day, the Shillong Archdiocese witnessed the ordination of 9 deacons by Archbishop Victor Lungdaw according to the religious rituals of the Catholic Church. After the ordination, Archbishop delivered his words of wisdom to the 9 priests, which includes Eldringson Lawai, MSFS Congregation, Alphonse Linkoy from Palantines, Protasius Sinkley from Salesian, Abielstar Karsoton Salesian, Joseph Munsi from the Diocesan, Pendap Boklang Soklat from the Diocesan, Wan Lambok Lingdo from the Diocesan, Don Boklang Doling from the Diocesan, as well as Wan Bhabante Walang from OFM Capuchin. Archbishop reminded them the teachings of the Pope, which states the priest should always remain with God and pray and meditate with the Word of God daily, to maintain a close relation with seniors and elders, to maintain a close relation among priests, and to maintain close relations with faithfuls. He also highlighted saying that the more the vigneron in the vineyard of the Lord, the better for the society at large. The day was made all the more brighter with the presence of seniors of different congregations, priests, sisters, brothers and faithfuls of God. Soon after, the vote of thanks by Father Wat Bhabante Walang and Father Wanlambok Lingdo was delivered for the 9 newly ordinated priests. Ladam Kra Parish bestowed the priests with gifts of appreciation and well wishes.
Hakajika jungi baro kandaingut ki Father Tamai, wan ai ka kantin kublay bat ya baro ki balay don banta bat kersyan yangi, haka jingim jungi kerpang haka jingyay benti jungi banlong ki lengdo soblay haka balang Katolik. Gidab da kajing singyongu kabakraw nakabanta ilengdo sat badon burom jongi imos Reverend Victor Lingdo ibaju kersyan bat I mensiem yangi barabor bat kerpang menta kasngi baila penkentang yangi syaka kerdan jinglong lengdo soblay kublay shibun yapi lengdo sat nakabanta kane ka jingsbun bat ka jingle pha jampi yangi to ublay unang ay hapi ya kabor ka ikhtiar bansyarai ya upai bayar jong ublay hakane ka jalan yamba jongi
kasam chispa nyau ka banangkong kaong toy ngo yau try na ba long ba bha na ba ka jingi spun jong u kane junom ya ngo pendon buram yau blay padap da ka jingi spun yangi balaya lam berketin lenti yangi barabor haka lenti jong kacing jongi ni duai ru ba unang ai bor yangi bangin la ban trai shirham haka hima jong u idap ru da kacing sungo ka bakraw na kabanta i Father Richard Majau Vicar General jong kacalan yamba Shillong, and our sincere thanks to our provincials, Reverend Father Paul Olfindro Lengkot, Provincial of Salesians Province Shillong, Reverend Father Sabu Francis, Provincial of MSFS Guwahati Province, Reverend Father Reni Velaya Pilil, OFM Capuchin, the Regional Major Superior of Nirmala Matha, Assam and Meghalaya. Reverend Father Joy Palachuwati, SSSAC, Provincial of Prabhu Prakash Province, Nagpur, and all our councillors for their moral support, prayer, guidance, and encouragement.
More than 100 men from NPP and AITC abandoned their respective parties to merge with Congress on the 20th of January to support Timjan Momin, a candidate expert in different academic areas, and he is also a responsible person for the people. This gentleman has completed his studies from the Indian Institute of Technology from Guwahati.
Congress Party ni dalgabarang ong emang na dama songana ribaha ya chini riba ni muksonira jerang dengtang political partyo kam bakor emang kamko kainga cham TMC nung jamena NPP nung jamena pada gepen dengtang political party ni riba kusyung enba Congress Party baksa bakreme Mendipatar konstituensio kam kana kata jakku ti angha yanina chinga Congress Party ni kata plak chingni kharumska Repengska, magaba pakba gemukko, tentang manca metelan baksa, remcakswa. Congress Party, Congress Party, Mendipatar Congress, Congress Party, Mendipatar Congress, Sakanti ko metela.
Southwest Garo Hills District celebrated Meghalaya Day in Multi-Facility Centre, Ampati, by venerating a visually impaired football player and a craftsman on the 21st of January. The government of the state venerated Jebalbang M. Sangma, a visual impaired footballer who represented the state and the country several times against the Japanese team. This footballer was awarded from the Sports, Arts and Culture. Jebalbang is a resident of Rongbagre under Rerapara CNRD block. Another gentleman who was honoured on the same day was Modern and Marak from Kangkangre under Zigzag CNRD, a musical instrument maker like Dotara or Dodrong, which is similar to the guitar, and the Garos particularly enjoys playing it. A marathon was also organised on account of Meghalaya Day, which Gideon Karmauplang, DC, flagged off the start of the marathon and arranged by Stephen Renja, SP in Ampati School Ground. The former Assistant General Secretary GSU CEC and former President GSU of South Western Zone Ampati, Shri Salman D. Sangma, had submitted his resignation letter on the 20th of January. According to him, he served as Assistant General Secretary in GSU CEC and served as a President in the South Western Zone for 8 years. He expressed his gratitude and assured that he will never abandon the organization and continue to give his moral support to the students. He also wished the students leader success in serving the students' community.
Zamano bersih zamano ada cidoko angko aro dual post nimna ampatio Yesu presiden nakta angko kamko donatani ko manaha dak yang ampatio Yesu presiden ko kai aro garulis kemek ni esen jenis sekretari nimna anga blongen bangas kita panen ko manaha aro kamrang ko ka dake anga den degi sana kanas kagen anga deng tamanca angni kadamska je zonal leaderang unit leaderang aro angni kadamska kolik sini mandirang gemek konang amat kelna katan mereka nasima baksa kam karmane wanga beben basa ko barang mai ko basa ko bagi sat gen semude angko kema kucina nasima molenga nak yang kangci beben GSU ni anga member nge presiden nge sekretari nge kam kajagen semuba kangci nasima baksa anga angni katong dong kamgen aro nangan somede na simang na physically help kan manjing semba manga angni katong gemukci na simang na help ko khainga aro phangna nanga moral support ko GSU na irang san sakan dikom tela.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.